Hey everyone, my name is Jake with Trugard. In this video, I'm going to do a little bit more complex size of a tray, how you could do that with our extensions and doing it from a basic 32 by 60. And so basically what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to create a 56 by 84 pre-slope shower tray. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start off with our 32 by 60. It can be offset or it can be center, either or. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use 2 extension kits, all right? So I'm gonna grab these real quick and kind of set it up for you. All right, so with the magic of cameras, I've immediately created a 32 by 60. It's kind of turning into a 56 by 60. Per these extension videos, which I've made previously, you'll just wanna check that on the YouTube channel or anything like that. They have these 45-degree angle cuts in them. So what you're going to need to do with these is this 32 by 60, how it's going to interlock. You're going to want to take the ends of them here, and you're going to align it with this 45-degree angle piece of the extension right here, okay? On all corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, all over. And this also means you're going to have a 32 by 60 tray, and so far we've used 1 extension kit, so that means you're going to need 2 extension kits with a 56 by 84. All right, so I'm going to make these cuts real quick. Each extension has 45-degree angle cuts on each side, this side and this side. So what I did, I cut one of the 45-degree angles off of all 4 pieces that I get in the extension kit. Okay, and then I'm actually going to cut it again. Okay, I'm going to make another cut, and all this depends on the actual size of your tray. So where you're going to cut, I'm just going to show you the pieces that come out of this that you're going to need to continue and fill in the gaps of this layout here. As you can see what I did here, and if I can get a good angle here, I just took that extension tray, that's one solid piece that I just cut out that 45-degree angle, and I cut it in half. Now there may be some trimming that you need to do in between here to make it fit properly in the tray. So this is actually what you're going to end up with, okay? These pieces, these bigger pieces, remember you have 4 of these extension trays, okay? Here's 2 and here's 2. We just cut these 2 into these small pieces. So we've got 1 cut in half, 2 cut in half, and then 2 whole ones. Okay, that's what you want to end up with. So now I'm going to take the full extension pieces here, okay, and we're going to place them, all of them again, they're 1/4 inch per foot, so you're going to need to make sure that they are sloped properly. Okay, and what we're going to do here on this tray, I'm going to take the thin side and slope it towards the drain. I'm going to do what we did before, just like you do on a 72 by 72. See how they're overlapping right here? Well, what you would do is cut right here, and this is why we put them at a 45-degree angle, or at the 45-degree angle corner right here, right? So we're going to cut this out and set one big piece there on the floor like that, so it's flush, right? I'm going to take the other big pre-cut piece, take the thin side, and place it on the tray. Again, you would cut that angle out, you would cut that little triangle out, and you would place it appropriately so it fits. Okay, now what do we do with these little cut pieces? This is actually, again, they have a thick side and a thin side. You're going to take the thin side, and since they're straight and perfect, they fit in there just like that. Square piece, square hole, thin side towards the drain, put it in. Square piece, square hole. This is where we're going to finish off these corners of the tray, okay? So again, each one of these has a thick side and a thin side. We're going to take the thin side, and again, that's going to determine which side of the tray we put it on, right? So This is a thin piece where it's my hand and we gotta slope towards the drain. That doesn't fit there. So we're gonna take it around here, thin piece towards the drain. And as you can see, there's gonna be a perfect fit right here. You're gonna keep this piece, which is that other long piece that we cut, right? You're gonna keep it square. You're gonna take this long piece that you have from the pre-existing extension, cut on the 45-degree angle here, place that down, then set it all in with modified, and boom. So far, one side done. There's still that other corner piece over there. I'm gonna pick it up, thin side towards the drain, place it in there. Again, make your cut at the 45, right? Okay, and then you're gonna place it down, and voila. That right there is a 56 by 84 pre-sloped shower tray. That's an offset drain right there, but you can also have it center. But that's the piece that you're gonna do. It's gonna be more cutting, more technical, more measurements, but it gets you a 56 by 84 pre-sloped shower tray. But real quick, just kind of want to go over again what you're going to get when you're looking at one of these shower kits, right? You're going to get the centerpiece, right? It's a 32 by 60 offset or center. Then you're going to get one, two, however they come to you, 2 extension kits. So you're gonna have a total of 8 pieces, 8 extension pieces, each of them 12 by 36 inches. Okay, and all of that is gonna come in about 3 boxes, and then you get your membrane. So whichever membrane, regular shower kit size that you got, a drain, everything else, possibly even curbs, things like that, which I'll go over in some other videos. All that is going to be there as well. This tray is going to be 3 boxes. Okay, 3 boxes with 8, 9, 10 individual pieces. So don't be surprised when you get 3 boxes and 10 pieces come out and you got to figure out how to put it together. Well, that's kind of what this video is for, how to put it together. And then I've got some other detailed drawings of when you're going to need a 56 by 84 and kind of how to do the cuts in a more explanation way to do it. All right, hope that helps. See you in the next video. Check the link for descriptions on each individual piece of material here in each one of their individual videos, so you get a full grasp of everything that we did here to get this 56 by 60. All righty, see ya.